Welcome to Microwave Me. Today, Captain Microwave is going to be doing something that has been requested many times on many microwave shows. A lot of times the fans say, "Microwave shit, microwave shit, microwave shit." Well, another microwave show microwaved fake shit, but that's not really the same thing. I'm all about bringing the best possible presentation to my fans, so I'm going to be microwaving real shit. Now, I think this is going to be a shitty idea when the shit hits the fan and this shit catches fire, but it's going to be like a flaming bag on your doorstep, flaming bag of dog shit, only this is cat shit. And when shit burns in the microwave, your whole house is going to smell like shit. But I'm going to do it anyway, since many people have been asking different microwave shows if they could do this item. So, I'm going to actually do it. And I'd like to thank my cats for donating these turds to our show, straight from the cat's ass. And I'm also trying to fit as much toilet humor in this show as I can for this episode, because where does shit usually go? The toilet. This time, I'm going to be stuffing, to me, the microwave full of shit. There's one turd, another turd. Oh, shit. Yeah, be thankful you don't have smell-o-vision for this one. Alright, anybody that knows shit about shit knows that shit is number 2. So, I'm going to do this number 2 for 2 minutes. Alright, now, I did it. I microwaved shit. Those turds look largely unchanged, but a little liquefied. I mean, the whole house is going to smell like shit, because I microwaved real shit. I mean, look, it's just liquid shit. It's like this shit turned into diarrhea. I mean, I'm just so glad I did the liquid soap first, because otherwise the whole house would truly smell like shit. I mean, this is probably one of the worst smells ever on this ship. I mean, it don't really look like shit anymore when you microwave it. It just turns into diarrhea, but it sure smells like it. So, if you want your dried turds to smell like shit again and don't care what they look like, go ahead and do it. But for the rest of us who have sanity, this is a shitty idea.